In this tutorial, we will be discussing string slicing in Python. String slicing is a way to extract parts of a string based on certain criteria. For example, you may want to extract the first 3 characters of a string or every other character in a string. Let's take a closer look at the code. Here, we have a variable called text which contains the string hello, world. We then use the square bracket notation to extract parts of the string. The first line of code uses the notation 0:5 to extract the first 5 characters of the string. The second line of code achieves the same result by using the notation 5, which means from the beginning of the string to the 5th index. The third line of code uses the notation 7:, which means from the 7th index to the end of the string. This allows us to extract the character's world. Finally, the fourth line of code uses the notation 2, which means every other character in the string. This allows us to extract the character's HLOOL! Now that you understand how to use string slicing in Python, you can use it to extract any part of a string you need. Thanks for watching.